So there is something in the mail on the way. It will be here tomorrow. Then we'll be installing it, and hopefully we'll hear some magic. That's your hint for you. But it's on its way. I'm super excited. Look what just arrived. We got a box. Yeah. Thank you, FedEx. Bye. Woohoo! We got a box. There's another item in here. Wow, I'm so glad I didn't overpay for that. Yes, look at that. There's a couple items in here, I guess. There's a wire that goes to the oil level sensor, and the connector looks broken. So I will debate on if I'm going to use this one or the one that's on the vehicle, if the one that's on the vehicle is salvageable, because as you saw in the previous video, it looks to be in good condition. And so if this has got a broken connector, no biggie, not too worried about that. But sure looks pretty cool. All aluminum. No cracks. There's a BMW emblem right here. Alright, well, we're going to go ahead and throw this on. Now there is one more item that we got just in case. Can you guess what it is? This little doodad is the oil pump. And to me, it just looks like the pickup tube itself. The guy specified that it was the actual pump, but no, I think I'm correct that it is actually just the pickup tube. Little, yeah. It would have been heavier had it been an actual pump, but that's alright. I figured that this would come with the oil pan, and I specified that to the guy, and I'm not certain. This definitely just looks like a pickup tube to me, which should have came with the oil pan. Good thing I got a good deal on it. I didn't get completely torn apart on that one. And then there might be another item in here, but I doubt it. I don't know why he would have kept them, but they're not here. It would have been the bolts for the oil pan, just so I had spares, just in case something went wrong while I was taking them off. Again, don't know why he kept them. What was the point? Oh well. We'll work with what we got. Let's get started. So this is what everything looks like. I got all the bolts out. These are the tools I used in order to do that. It's been dripping a little bit. A lot of underbody engine sludge, but you can see there's a gap now. And my only worry is getting it out. I'm hoping it'll just slide forward and down, and we can try to work a way to get it out without having to lift the engine up. But we'll see what happens. Might have to lift it by the bracket or something. I don't know. Shoot. Shimmy. Shimmy. Yeah, she ain't coming out like that. Alright. Plan B.
All right, so here's your update. We have the engine jacked up. It is touching the wire up on the firewall, and we got a nice little jack up there. The exhaust pipe is touching, and we actually undid the coolant reservoir in order to give that extra inch. And then we come on down here where you can see we're having a grand old time. Okay, so the oil pan is low enough to get the oil pickup out of the hole, but the valley, the drain off in the back, the trim, is not allowing the oil pan to get past the pickup, and we have no more lift out of anything. So what we're gonna end up doing is we're going to take off the pickup tube right here, then we're going to remove the oil pan, put the new oil pan back in, and then re-put on the pickup tube in the same-ish spot, and then we'll bolt it up and lower it down and call it a day, because boy, I tell you, this has been great. Aaron over here is being a trooper. He's pulling out the oil pickup tube. This is the one that came with the new oil pan, and he's gotten most of all these bolts, and then he's got to pull one last bolt up here. The oil pickup tube will come out, then the oil pan will come out, and then we'll throw the new one back on. No, it's spinning. Pull. Oh, fuck me. Hey, look. Now leave it. Oh. It is off its shaft. All right, do you want to do the honors?
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Woohoo! There's a broken oil pan. Check out.
Where'd you catch it at?
Yeah, right at the front.
Yeah, that counts.
Yeah, that counts. That's
All
broken. I can see daylight. Let's get the new one in. Woohoo! I present to you an oil pan. In all of its glory. All right. We got to get a few brackets back on. But other than that, looks pretty good so far. Right now that the oil pan is on the vehicle, we are going to take off the oil filter cap, and we're going to be changing the oil filter out with a fresh one. Getting it done now. Alright, what in the tarnations is all of that? Please tell me that's not metal chunks. The dirt that's in there is possibly from the impact. That was a very nice car. I hope you saw it, but I really doubt it. And so I'm going to get out as much as I can, and it should be alright. Because just this little dirt stuff should break down. If it were to, for some reason, get into the motor, it should eat it up. Let's get the filter installed, get some oil in it, and we might fire it up today. Sorry. We have a little surprise in the back seat that I picked up today. Right there. And there's a little hint for you. And it is the door glass for my driver window. And I've got everything everywhere at the moment. Window switch was very sticky because at one time it was an accident because I don't have cup holders. This center console piece here is used for holding cups for the most part. It does an okay job, and I only had one incident, but soda got spilled down into... What? Yeah, I'm talking. What? Okay. Alright, so basically, soda got spilled down in here. What? Hi. And so it gummed up all the gutters. What? You okay? I'm trying to talk here. Anyway, I had removed this, taken... What? No, you just stay there. Thank you. I took out all the buttons and I cleaned all of the tracks, got all the soda, basically all the gunk out, and now I've replaced it back into the center console. And only 2 windows rolled down at the moment. I'm not sure yet if I want to roll down the driver's window since it just got installed a couple days ago, and this is the first sunny day. It should be ready to be rolled down, but I don't know yet if I want to chance it. So, yeah. Yeah, that's Daddy's binky. From Patrick and Adriana's baby shower. It still has the Mike Wazowski and Sully. Yep. It's faded, but it works. So, without further ado, Eli, are you ready to see if these 2 windows roll down with ease instead of having to mess with it? Would you look at that? Magic. Alright, rear one. Oh, would you look at that? With ease. Rolls right back up too. I'm happy. Look at that. Perfect. Look at that, baby. Do we want to do the driver's window? It's sealed. Now, will it roll back up? Nope. Oh? Oh? Is it on the track correctly? No way! That was scary at the same time. But look at that, it's on track the way it's supposed to be. It's never been on track the way it's supposed to be. Cool. We have a window. Brakes are good. We have brakes. We still have a turn signal out in the rear. I'm gonna wait a moment. Holy shit, we're driving Caroline for the first time. Oh. Holy crap, it feels so good. Wow. I'm not going to be emotional about this. Man up. I am actually so happy about this. This is so amazing. Oh my gosh. The power steering fluid is low, but She sounds like such a pile of trash right now. Holy shit. But oh my gosh, we are driving Caroline. Oh my gosh. We made it to the destination. Woo! She has a little resistance. It's the we might need fuel, some good fuel, because this fuel is old. All right, out here in the middle of nowhere, rescue time. Hey bud, you look in good shape. Just standing out here in the middle of the road. We just got passed by a vehicle not that long ago, and he's in good shape. You want to hold him? It's a good size.
Hey, bud.
Come here. It's like, what is going on? This will be our first turtle of the season.